Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to compare Roll20 and Foundry. Roll20 is an online virtual tabletop platform designed for playing tabletop role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons. It allows players and game masters to connect remotely, share maps, roll dice, and manage character sheets. Roll20 is web-based, accessible from any device with an internet connection, and offers both free and paid plans. The platform is beginner-friendly and ideal for casual gamers or groups looking to play online without investing in expensive software or hardware. Most users on Trustpilot have mixed experiences with Roll20. Some find it useful for running campaigns online, appreciating its accessibility and beginner-friendly interface. However, many criticize the platform for high costs, frequent bugs, outdated features, and limitations in free plans. Users also report frustrations with subscriptions, asset restrictions, and slow updates, noting that alternatives like Foundry can offer better value and more advanced tools. Foundry, on the other hand, is a professional-grade virtual tabletop and production tool with a strong presence in the VFX and animation industry. Trusted by every VFX Oscar winner in the past decade, Foundry provides tools that integrate visual effects artists into the virtual production process. With Nuke Stage, teams can iterate on content from pre- to post-production. Additionally, Foundry offers Flix, a centralized hub for animation studios to manage story development, stay on schedule, and maintain synchronized workflows. Now let's take a closer look at Roll20's pricing, its pros and cons, and what users are saying about it. Roll20 offers a free tier, while the Plus plan costs $4.99 per month, and the Pro plan is $9.99 per month. On the positive side, it is browser-based, easy to set up, and comes with built-in assets as well as voice and video support. On the downside, many features are behind a paywall, performance can struggle on large maps, and subscription costs can add up over time. Users generally find it good for casual play, though some are frustrated by the limits and outdated interface. Now let's take a closer look at Foundry VTT's pricing, its pros and cons, and what users are saying about it. Foundry VTT offers a one-time $50 license for the Game Master, with optional hosting costs if needed. On the positive side, it is highly customizable, features powerful map and automation tools, and provides excellent long-term value. On the downside, it has a steeper learning curve, lacks built-in chat or video features, and setup can require extra effort. Users love it for its customization and overall value, though some find it complex for casual sessions. Overall, Roll20 is great for casual or remote tabletop gaming with ease of access, while Foundry caters to professional studios and artists needing advanced tools for VFX, animation, and virtual production. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.